Imagine looking in the mirror and seeing your skin clearer, brighter, and free from those stubborn age spots that never seem to fade. Sounds incredible, right? But what if I told you there's a simple, natural solution that can help make that happen, and faster than you ever thought possible? In today's video, I'll share a powerful blend of oils that's not only effective, but easy to make at home. With just a few drops, you could be on your way to visibly clearer skin. Stay with me and I'll show you exactly how this blend works and why it might just be the game changer you've been looking for. Let's start by understanding what age spots are and why they show up. Age spots, also known as liver spots, are those flat, dark patches that commonly appear on our skin as we grow older. Most often, they're seen on areas exposed to the sun, like the face, hands, shoulders, and arms. But here's the important part. These spots aren't just about aging. They're often signs of deeper processes occurring in our bodies, like damage from free radicals and toxins that accumulate over time. Age spots are essentially a wake-up call, signaling that our skin and body might need some extra care. Various factors contribute to these spots. Extended sun exposure, for instance, is a big culprit because UV rays damage skin cells, triggering pigmentation changes. But it's not just the sun. Other lifestyle factors play a role too. Poor diet, stress, and lack of certain nutrients like vitamin C and E can also worsen age spots. Another cause is the buildup of lipofuscin, a waste product in cells that accumulates with age and clogs them up. Addressing these underlying causes is key to effectively fading age spots and giving your skin a healthier, more radiant look. While there are countless treatments out there for age spots, many involve harsh chemicals or expensive procedures. But nature has given us powerful, gentle solutions. Natural oils have been used for centuries to heal, nourish, and rejuvenate skin. Today, modern science is backing up what ancient practices have known all along. Certain oils have the ability to target skin pigmentation, repair damage, and help skin recover. These oils work not just on the surface, but penetrate deeply to support long-term skin health. The blend we'll talk about today is a mix of rosehip oil, wild rose oil, and vitamin E oil. Each of these oils has unique properties that make them incredibly effective at fading age spots and revitalizing skin. They're loaded with vitamins, antioxidants, and fatty acids, which work together to repair skin cells, reduce inflammation, and combat the oxidative stress that contributes to dark spots. When used consistently, this blend can make a visible difference, fading age spots and promoting a youthful glow. And the best part? You can make this blend easily at home, knowing exactly what goes into it, pure, natural ingredients, with no chemicals or artificial additives. The first key ingredient in this blend is rosehip oil, often called nature's skin healer. This golden red oil is derived from the seeds of the rosehip fruit and is packed with vitamins A and C, along with essential fatty acids. What makes rosehip oil so special is its ability to penetrate deeply into the skin without leaving any greasy residue, which makes it ideal for everyday use. Known as a dry oil, rosehip oil is absorbed quickly, delivering nutrients directly to the skin's deeper layers. Rosehip oil's high content of vitamin A makes it a natural source of retinoic acid, a compound widely used in skincare for its powerful effects on skin regeneration. Vitamin C in rosehip oil also helps fade dark spots by inhibiting the production of melanin, the pigment responsible for skin discoloration. This oil has been shown to improve skin elasticity, hydration, and the appearance of hyperpigmentation, including those persistent age spots. Applying rosehip oil twice a day can be incredibly beneficial, helping to reduce age spots and enhance skin's overall texture and radiance over time. Next in our blend is wild rose oil, a powerhouse ingredient known for its skin-renewing properties. Wild rose oil is rich in carotenoids, which are antioxidants that protect the skin from damage. Additionally, it contains a natural form of retinoic acid, which is a precursor to vitamin A, crucial for promoting skin regeneration. This combination makes wild rose oil exceptionally effective for repairing damaged skin, reducing the appearance of wrinkles, and yes, fading age spots. Wild rose oil has a long history in traditional skincare routines and is now being recognized for its ability to support skin health at a cellular level. When applied to the skin, this oil stimulates collagen production, which is essential for maintaining skin's firmness and resilience. Moreover, Wild rose oil's high antioxidant content helps neutralize free radicals and toxins, two major culprits in the formation of age spots. Regular application of this oil can help restore a youthful glow, reduce pigmentation, and smoothen skin texture, making it a must-have in any anti-aging skincare routine. Vitamin E oil is the final touch in this powerful blend. Known as one of the most effective antioxidants, vitamin E protects skin cells from free radical damage. These free radicals can break down skin cells over time, leading to premature aging and discoloration. When you combine vitamin E with rosehip and wild rose oils, you create a potent emulsion that not only fades age spots, but also prevents new ones from forming. Vitamin E oil works by promoting skin repair and helping the skin retain moisture. Properly hydrated skin is better equipped to heal and regenerate, which is why vitamin E is so effective for age spots. When applied directly to age spots, vitamin E helps lighten them over time, while also nourishing the surrounding skin for an even, healthy glow. This oil is not just about fading spots, it's about improving overall skin quality, keeping it soft, supple, and resilient to environmental stressors. Including vitamin E and oil in this blend boosts the effects of the other oils, making it an all-in-one treatment for a brighter, healthier complexion. Now that you know the power of each oil, let's talk about creating this blend. All you'll need is a small glass container with a lid. Here's the recipe. Add 20 milliliters of wild rose oil, 10 milliliters of rosehip oil, and 20 drops of vitamin E oil. Mix the oils gently to create a uniform blend. Store it in a cool, dark place to preserve its potency. To apply, cleanse your skin thoroughly, then apply a small amount of the oil blend directly to your age spots. Gently massage it in, allowing the oils to fully absorb. For best results, apply this blend 2 to 3 times daily over the course of 30 days. After a 30-day break, you can start the cycle again. Consistency is key here. The results come from regular application and patience. Over time, you should start seeing visible improvements, with age spots fading and your skin appearing brighter and more even. While topical treatments are effective, true skin transformation happens when you support your body from the inside out. One powerful supplement for tackling age spots is grapeseed extract, which is packed with antioxidants. Grapeseed extract helps remove toxins and neutralize free radicals, preventing further skin damage. These antioxidants work at a cellular level, protecting your skin from within, which complements the external benefits of the oil blend. Intermittent fasting is another powerful way to boost your skin's healing abilities. By giving your digestive system a break, intermittent fasting allows your body to focus on repairing cells and flushing out toxins. This process can lead to clearer, healthier skin, reducing the factors that contribute to age spots. Together, grapeseed extract and intermittent fasting form a natural, holistic approach to skin care that supports both the internal and external aspects of skin health. And there you have it, a simple, natural approach to a struggle many of us know too well. By combining the power of wild rose, rosehip, and vitamin E oils with grapeseed extract and intermittent fasting, you have a real opportunity to erase stubborn age spots and reveal more radiant skin. But remember, true results come from consistent effort. Diet, lifestyle, and skincare all play a role. No miracle oil can replace healthy habits. Now, it's your turn to take control. If this video was helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more natural skincare tips. Thank you for watching.